Operating bigger fleets always comes along with managing a lot of data. And of course, not every information is always helpful. To make administration of these information more convenient, we have now completely reworked the core functionalities of FleetControl and added a new feature which is called the FleetViewer. In the FleetViewer, you can create own data compositions using different parameters coming from your fleet. Let me give you an example. Your operations team is searching for vehicles with a very low fuel level on a regular basis. They are looking for it like every morning. They could now go to the FleetViewer section and create an own topic. They would add maybe the license plate to identify the vehicles and the fuel level, and would combine it with a filter on the fuel level, maybe showing them the vehicles below 5% fuel level. They would save it as their own topic, and they could now return there every morning to send someone there from the operations team maybe. The parameter set of the FleetViewer is really extensive, so we can think of many different use cases that it could be used for. Maybe to find vehicles, those doors are still open or the lights are still on, even if the rental was already ended.